So, you're thinking about investing your hard-earned money with StashAway? That's a great first step towards financial freedom. But before you dive in, let's explore some potential drawbacks of this popular investment platform. Understanding StashAway. StashAway has undoubtedly revolutionized investing, making it accessible to a broader audience. Its automated investment approach and low fees are attractive features. However, like any financial tool, it's essential to be aware of its limitations. Limited control. One of the primary disadvantages of StashAway is the limited control you have over your investments. While automation can be convenient, it also means you relinquish some decision-making power. You can't choose specific stocks or bonds, and you're reliant on StashAway's algorithms to make investment decisions on your behalf. Lack of personalized advice. While StashAway offers robo-advisory services, it's important to remember that these are not personalized financial advice. You won't have access to a dedicated financial advisor who can tailor investment strategies to your specific needs and risk tolerance. Potential for lower returns. While StashAway's low-cost index funds can provide solid long-term returns, it's essential to recognize that past performance is not indicative of future results. Market fluctuations and economic conditions can impact your investment returns, and StashAway's automated approach may not always capitalize on short-term opportunities. Fees and charges. While StashAway's fees are relatively low compared to traditional investment firms, it's crucial to understand the fee structure. Hidden fees or additional charges can erode your returns over time. It's essential to carefully review the terms and conditions to avoid any surprises. Lack of diversification across asset classes. While StashAway offers diversification within specific asset classes, it may not provide adequate diversification across different asset classes. This can expose your portfolio to increased risk, particularly during market downturns. Should you use StashAway? Ultimately, the decision to use StashAway depends on your individual financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment knowledge. If you're a beginner investor seeking a hands-off approach, StashAway can be a good starting point. However, if you prefer more control over your investments and personalized financial advice, you may want to consider other options. StashAway is a convenient and affordable investment platform, but it's not without its drawbacks. By understanding these limitations, you can make informed decisions about whether it's the right fit for your financial journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.